Okay, welcome back. Basically today, as I told you earlier, that I will show you guys how you can actually resell data and make at least 35 to 150,000 naira monthly just reselling data to persons and individuals like your friends and everybody around. Data is life. Everybody needs data. You cannot operate your phone without data. So the basic way you can actually resell your data is once you just go. Let's go back to um Sparky sites. Okay, so once you come back here, let's reload the page. Okay, so once you just come back here and then you log in to the site. Okay, once you just log into the site, okay, the next thing is that you need to do is let's go to the home page. Once you log into the site and then you need to resell data, what you have to do is when you have, like for instance now, your somebody wants a data you get, and then you have to make first thing you have to make a flyer, and then once you make a flyer, what you have to do is you make a flyer and then put in the data prices. I'll show you a sample of a flyer you can use. You can go to Pinterest and search for you can just go to Pinterest and then you search for data reselling flyers. Okay, so if you cannot design for yourself, you can just look for somebody that can help you design a very fancy and nice flyer. So what you just need to do is you just come here, search for data reselling flyer design. You can see it. Okay, so you see lots of samples. Okay, you can see plenty lots of persons selling data. Okay, the reselling price, and then see somebody here, okay, selling at different price. So what you just need to do is you make a flyer like this for yourself and you put your account number and your phone number. So the prices that you have here is that when you go to my site, when you go to the site now and then you look at, let's say for MTN, you want to buy MTN and then you put MTN SME and then you want to buy. So you see the price like 500 MB now is like 160. So maybe if you are selling it for someone, you can sell this data that is 160 at 180. Okay, you're making 20 naira profit. If you do it continuously, you know how much you can make. So this one that is 295, you can sell it at 395. That's like 100 naira profit you get. So what you just need to do is when you want to make your flyer, you make sure that instead of putting this 160 that you are buying, you put like 170, 180, 190 you get on your flyer. Now once you put that and then you now design that your flyer and then you send it out, you get, what you just have to do is, once, how are you going to now sell it? You just come here and then send it. If a client contacts you for any data plan, just send your account number to that client. Then the client will send that, like if you are selling this MTN now at this is 500 MB at 180, your client will send you 180 naira. Okay, so what you just have to do is you will now get his phone number and then click on this. You just come here, put the plan, and then you put that your client's phone number, that person that wants to buy data from you. You put the phone number. Once you put the phone number, you now click on send, put your PAF transaction pin, and then you send. Now the thing is, you are now sending that data at 160 naira, but your client send you 180 or sometimes 190. Okay, so you are actually making profit. So the more you sell, the more you make profit. So you just keep doing that. You send your account number to the person will send the money to you, and then you now credit the person. You get, and then if you want to fund your wallet, you just come to fund wallet and then you copy the account number that is here. It's unique for you. Everybody has different account number. Copy it, go to your bank app and then transfer the money. Once you transfer the money, it will reflect in your wallet and then you can now use it and be selling. Okay, so that is basically how you can resell data. Make sure that you get a very nice flyer, something like this. You can see it was very nice. So you just make that, lots of it. You can see, just make something. If you cannot design, look for someone that will design it and make it fancy. You put your account name, your bank, and every other thing that you need, and then you can see this person is selling 500 MB at 170, but here 500 MB here is like 160. You get, so you can put it on 180, you can put it 190, and then you sell it and make profit. So that is basically how you can make profit with selling data. Thank you very much. See you guys around.